Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch this beautiful Demoiselle in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the beautiful Demoiselle butterfly looks like. And I'm going to show you where you can exactly catch this insect. Let me show you my collection, my insect story. Okay, and wait, I'm going to scroll down. Alright, this is the beautiful Demoiselle. And basically, guys, you can catch this insect only in rainy and rainbow event. And for the location, it's from the Forest Lake shore. So go to the forest right here and go to the Forest Lake and you'll be able to find this insect right here. And I'm going to show you my insect catching level, guys. For your information, my level is, hold on, I think it's level 7. I don't know. Okay, this one, oops, it's level 6. So you can catch this beautiful Demoiselle in level 6. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch beautiful Demoiselle in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.